I am Dr. VP Shivkumar, a senior consultant pediatrician and newborn specialist from Jania Child Clinics, Chennai. Actually, I'm in a very happy mood because it's a Sunday, and I was thinking, why not let me talk about happiness itself? Yes, today the topic of our video is happiness. What all things gives us happiness, and why do they give us happiness? Come, let's see. There are many neurotransmitters or hormones which gives us happiness, of which about 4 or 5 are very important hormones that is responsible for giving us a happy, peaceful life, of which I will just say a few. The reward chemical is nothing but dopamine, the mood stabilizer, love hormone or the oxytocin, and pain reliever. These are the main hormones. Let me elaborate a few of them. Coming to reward chemical. Reward chemical is nothing but dopamine, which releases a lot of hormones when we do certain acts. Kind of eating good food. Ever wondered about this? Yes, good food gives us great happiness. Eating food, cooking our favorite recipes, cooking our favorite food, discussing about food with our nears and dears, sharing food photographs, all gives us immense pleasure and happiness. Probably this could be the reason that we end up watching a lot of food blog. So always cook food, eat healthy, serve love, live happy. Second is fixing a target, fixing a goal and trying to achieve it, and achieving it gives us lots of happiness. The happiness in achieving our targets is uncomparable. So set reasonable targets. Every small step taken successfully in reaching your targets gives you happiness. But make sure you fix reasonable targets and try achieving it. This will not only give you happiness but also a very successful life in the long run. Adequate sleep. Good sleep gives lots of happiness, lots of health benefits. The neurons in the brain actually rejuvenates itself and repairs itself during sleep. Having a bath. After a tiresome day, a heavy workout or a stressful event, just go to your home, go back to your home, get a relaxing, rejuvenating sleep. You will feel very comfortable and fresh, and in no matter of time, all your tiredness will disappear. As I said earlier, dopamine is the rewarding hormone which gets released in above activities. Now let us have a look at the love hormone or the oxytocin. Yeah, oxytocin gets released in many of our day-to-day activities. Let me enumerate a few. Socializing. We all know that man is a social animal, is dependent and interdependent on fellow human species. Socializing is a need of every individual. I feel lot of occasions, events, ceremonies and rituals were organized by our ancestral group considering the same. Like it gives us opportunity for many gatherings, funny events, to share a lot of moments along with our near ones and dear ones. This importance of socializing we appreciate even more during this COVID era. Somehow, at least we are in the better end that even if you are not able to physically socialize, we have our digital platforms like FB and Insta, wherein we get to connect with a lot of friends having our own pets. Pets is a great happiness booster. The moment we return home after a tiring day, all our exhaustion will disappear in no time after we cuddle our pets. Pets are these days an integral part of our family. They are just nothing but an extended member of our family. We all know already about physical touch and bonding. Next is helping others. Helping other individuals, helping the needy. Yes, I would say we help ourselves by helping others. By helping others, we elevate our own happiness, we elevate our mood. It also gives us a satisfaction of living a purposeful and peaceful life. So help others in whatever way possible and whatever means possible. Still a lot needs to be shared regarding happiness, and let us see them in the next video. If you like our channel, do kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. Share it to your friends and relatives. Thank you. And this is Dr. V.P. Shivkumar, Senior Consultant Pediatrician from Jania Child Clinics, signing off.